What if I told you that a swarm of microscopic robots, each no bigger than a grain of salt, could navigate through your body to repair damaged tissue from the inside out? Or imagine these same tiny machines swarming into a collapsed building after an earthquake, working together to search for survivors and clear debris, rebuilding brick by microscopic brick. It sounds like something straight out of a blockbuster sci-fi movie, right? Well, welcome to the cutting edge of right now. This isn't a Hollywood script. It's a groundbreaking reality unveiled by top scientists. I'm Aiden, and you're watching What Now Viral, where we unpack the future as it happens. So how does this incredible technology actually work? Fresh out of advanced research labs, these micro-robots are powered by something you encounter every day: sound. But this isn't just any sound. Scientists use high-frequency acoustic waves. Think of it like a super-powered, ultra-precise version of medical ultrasound to make these robots move, communicate, and even self-repair. Forget batteries, forget wires. It's pure, focused sound energy that orchestrates their intricate dance. Early experiments are already showing mind-blowing results. We're talking about these swarms patching up damaged tissues in laboratory tests faster than a skilled surgeon could stitch them up. They can also navigate through pipes and crevices far too small and dangerous for any human or conventional drone. Just think of the possibilities: cleaning up contaminated water sources after a flood, or delivering medicine directly to a tumor, eliminating the harsh side effects of chemotherapy. This technology has the potential to reshape medicine, disaster relief, and manufacturing as we know it. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. As with any powerful new tool, we have to ask the tough questions. These swarms are controlled by sophisticated AI that allows them to learn and adapt on the fly, mimicking the collective intelligence of an ant colony or a flock of birds. This means they can respond to unexpected obstacles in real time, swerving around debris or instantly reforming their structure after being scattered. It's truly incredible. So, what's the catch? Well, for one, the potential for a glitch. What happens if a swarm of medical nanobots receives the wrong command? Could these tiny helpers accidentally turn into microscopic invaders? The ethical red flags are waving. We're talking about unprecedented questions of privacy and security. Who owns the data collected by robots inside your own body? And what about the risk of hacking? Could a malicious actor take control of a swarm designed to save lives and turn it into a weapon? It's a classic case of brilliant innovation meeting the very real question of, what could possibly go wrong? The journey from the lab to our daily lives is still underway, but the pace of development is staggering. This isn't just a fantasy. It's the very edge of tomorrow unfolding right before our eyes. What do you think? Are you excited about the potential of micro-robot swarms, or are the risks too high? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. What's the most amazing or terrifying use for this technology you can imagine? If you love exploring future tech that feels like science fiction, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to What Now Viral so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.